Good afternoon, everybody. I am home from school, and I'm about to watch the Shaytards on YouTube. They're vlogs done by Shay Carl, and they're awesome. They're really good. You should go check them out. I'm going to put a link, underbar, it's not in the sidebar anymore. But yeah, put a link down there, and tell me, guys, if you like him. Subscribe to him. He's really good. I wanted to say a couple things. I know I have a couple people. I don't know if I have a lot, but some of my friends on Facebook are going to be watching my vlogs, and I wanted to say that if I introduce myself, it's not for them. It's for the people on YouTube. If you guys decide to watch, that I'm introducing myself to you guys, because I know my other friends know me and everything. But, so, that was just something I did that I want to clear up. Another thing I want to say is, I hate my hair. I don't like it right now. It just got cut short on Sunday, and so, I mean, I don't like it. If you guys want to say you don't like it too, let me know, because that'd be awesome. And put a comment. Back to the Shaytards. In my first video yesterday, there was a girl in the beginning who had brown hair, and I'm not going to say her name because I don't know if she'd like me to do that, but she reminds me of Mommy Tard on the Shaytards. So if you guys go check out the Shaytards, let me know if you think she looks at all like Mommy Tard. I started watching them in February, and I just thought she looked like Mommy Tard maybe when she got older or something. But I don't know. Put it in the comments. Leave a comment if you think she does. And I will see you guys later.
On my left side, we have Dozer. He loves to fight, but he won't give up even though he's cute and cuddly. On the right side, we have Cody. He's the mean one, and he likes to tear people apart. He's been chosen as the winner in this one. And here they go.
Okay, Dozer sees the bone and is going for it. But, oh wait, Cody says, back off my bone. They're all fighting. Dozer comes back with the tackle. Okay, Cookie's getting in the way, but it's alright. Dozer's taking his bites, but Cody says no. They're going at each other. They're staring off. Oh, Cody makes the first move. Dozer attacks. There they go. Staring each other down. And Dozer was trying to take out the legs, but he misses. Oh, Cody gets him down. One. Oh. Cody holding on to his neck. He is just destroying Dozer right now. Dozer cannot do it. Oh, tearing his neck apart. Oh my god. Cody has Dozer down by the neck. He gets up. Dozer's come back with a charge. Cody can't handle it. Dozer's chasing him around. Oh, spear. Right in the neck. He's getting him back. He's going for the legs. Cody doesn't like that, so he turns around. Alright. Here they go, staring off. Dozer for the legs. Cody for the neck. Dozer going for the back of the legs. And what will they do? Looks like Cody's going to take a break. Looks like, well, break time's over. He's got him on the neck again. Trips over the mom. Getting in the way. And now he's got his neck again. Dozer's trying to get out of this one. He can't get out. Cody has his skin. He can't get out. Dozer's on top, but Cody's hanging on. Cody won't let go. Cody will not let go. He is not letting go. Dozer is fighting, and oh, he got out, but Cody is still holding on. What is this? Oh my god. Oh, he got him on the back. Looks like, oh. And Dozer attacking. I don't know who won this one, folks. I don't know.